G'day everybody, what do we got today for on the table? That's right, it's the Roma F4 long range Dji quad. This is the one that a lot of people have been looking for at the moment, you know, just something a bit different, something new to add to their fleet. I'm just thinking it could be quite a good one for doing a bit of adventure flying, make some small videos, and yeah, see what it's all about really. This micro long ranging. So we'll just get into the package and see what's inside this box, eh? Right. Okay. That's open. Yeah. You normally just push it open like that. Yep. Oh yeah. Right. And what have we got in here? Ooh. Wow. Okay. Got some good paperwork. Nice little bag of goodies like we always get. A few different versions of the straps there to try. Nice little HQ props there. Always handy. 2.5 inch, 2 blade. Get some DJI Vista air unit, power lead. We get the parts list. That could be handy. Parts list, assembly guide. Some more instructions here for the receiver connection. And the Mamba DJI Mini. We got one of the new version GoPro mounts for up front. I believe these are the more hardened, rigid version that shouldn't snap, you know. Yeah, round 2 on those. And then what is this? Holy shamoly. It is tiny. I mean, look at that in my hand. The piece de resistance. Look at this thing, mate. Wow. Okay, it's all ready for the side mount antenna there. Keep it out of the way of the GPS, which is one of the newer functions, I suppose. Wow. Look how clean that is. That's amazing. Oh my god. This thing's so nice. Wicked. Wow, there's nothing, it's just so lightweight. And that tiny stack in there, look, it's like as big as my fat finger. Vista in the back. And there's a CADDX Nebula. I don't know if it's CADDX Nebula Pro. Hard to see at the moment. I might have to investigate that a bit further. But wow, coolio. It's got the little GPS on the back and TPU mount for the crossfire up there. 1404, 3000 kVs. So should be a bit of boogie in there as well, considering it's so goddamn light. Yeah, wow. Thanks very much for having a look, guys, and yeah, if you're looking for something like this in the future, give me a message and we'll see what we can do. Thanks very much for having a look what's in the box.